I am Mohammed, a JavaScript developer with keen expertise in its Web2 and Web3 frameworks. So yeah, today I'm going to be talking about Onchainkit and getting started with it. Okay, let's go to the docs. Like we're going to walk through it together and I'm going to set up. It makes building on-chain apps easy. Building on-chain apps is very seamless with Onchainkit. Alright, to get started, Onchainkit is the easiest way for any developer to build beautiful on-chain applications. Okay, you can use Onchainkit in an existing project by installing Onchainkit as a dependency. Like you want to use it in an existing project. Alright, so we are going to be using Fleek. Fleek is a decentralized hosting platform, not fully decentralized. So, but just like you can create your accounts using your wallet and all the stuff, somewhat decentralized. Okay, something I want to tell you about Fleek is that when you want to create, if you are using Next.js and you want to host your application on Fleek, you're using their hosting provider, you're going to have a bug, an error when hosting, a dist error or something. If anyone has solution to it, you can leave it down in the comments section below. And if you are using the CLI, you don't have any problem with Next. But if you are using React Vite, you won't face any bug when hosting with Fleek on their hosting provider. We need to let's just go to their template, their React template to get started. Normally we're talking about Onchainkit here, but I just want to show how you are going to integrate Onchainkit into your application. So to get started, we need to clone one of Fleek templates, starter templates. I'm using React. I'm going to use React. Right. Okay. You see right here. Just click on the link to their GitHub repo. So when you get there, don't forget to start it. You can start if you want. Then you copy to git clone. Okay. I've cloned it already. Just do this git clone Fleek, and when it's done, you do npm install. Then after that, then you code dot to open your VS Code. Then code dot again. Okay, it's loading. Alright, good. Our VS Code has opened. So let's go back to Onchainkit. What's the first step? You see that Onchainkit is very seamless. Like you don't have to be a smart contract developer to use Onchainkit. Like just very seamless. So let's install Onchainkit as dependency. So okay, we need to do npm install. Let's copy this. Go to our project. Like after all the dependencies has been installed, then you go to your project on your code editor. Then we paste this to install it. Right, installing. Let's go back to the next step. Okay, next thing, we need to obtain a public API key from the Coinbase developer APIs. Okay, let's just screen this to go today. Note, if you are in Nigeria, you need to use a VPN to access the Coinbase platform while it's loading. Show next step. You need to create a .env file. Create a .env. Okay. Then after that, we need to get our developer API. Okay, here is my API key. I've copied it. Alright, inside our .env, we need to set your public API key, assigning the value public Onchainkit. Okay. Okay, let's paste it here. Okay, let me go to the Coinbase developer. Okay, copy my API key, paste it. Okay. Alright. Access the public API key in your code. We need to create on-chain provider components. Okay. Control V. Auto points. I'm gonna put this. You can see everything is seamless. Just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Very seamless. Why not install? Okay. I think we need to have an Onchainkit. The Onchainkit component equips you. But I don't know why it's showing that error. Okay, it's because we don't have an Onchainkit component, an Onchainkit provider component. We need to have that ourselves. Okay, let's chain provider. Let's see. Okay, Onchainkit. Oh, I did not import anything. Oh, that's why. Stored. I did not import anything. Okay, let's just copy this one because this has imported everything. That's why it was showing the error. I did not import Onchainkit provider. Okay, guys, use client import VM import Onchainkit provider from Coinbase. This component that is showing error. Okay, we need to add the WAGMI too. We need to create a WAGMI.ts file in the root. Okay, not in the root here. WAGMI.ts control. Okay, then on Jenkins provider .ts we have this. Jenkins provider .ts we have this. .tsx TypeScript. Wrap your on-chain providers. So this is where we're going to wrap it into our layout. That's if we were using Next.js, but we are using React, so it's going to be in our main. Why is it not showing error here? Import on-chain. Wow, it's worked. Good to go. Alright, we can style our component by pasting it in the head of our root file. Just paste it there, then we can style it when we get started using. We can paste it here and we can paste it here. Pasting it in the main is going to cover everything. We can create an identity. Wait, let's run our application if it's working fine first. Let's run our application. npm. Is it npm? npm on there. Right, it's working good. Let's view it. So I'm going to leave the description. The links in the description below, and let me please give feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe also. And okay, still loading. Okay, there's nothing there, that's why it's displaying now. We need to go to identity avatars. Okay, let's check this one out. Identity component, show user avatar name with attestation and address. Wow, just copy and paste. Okay, it looks something like this. Copy and paste. Okay. I'm gonna copy this one first, then I will import it. Okay. Let's use it in our app components. Oh, where is the app not showing anything? Control Shift I. Let's check our console. What's this saying? Occurred in the entry components. Consider an error boundary. Process is not defined. Okay, we are using Vite. Using Vite, like we need to add if you are using React, it will be next under, when you are using the product env, it will be the next underscore, it will be next underscore Onchainkit underscore stuff like that. If it's React, it will be React underscore, but we're using Vite, so it will be Vite underscore. Vite can't read it like that. But if you do like the Vite is going to read it. Where is it? Okay, let's see if it's the error is gone. Control. I see it. I saved. What is the error? Process is not defined at onchain providers.txt. What can is this? Why is there two onchain provider? Oh, move to it like Kobe. This one rename onchain providers. Let's go to the, where is the Why am I importing it here? No, not export it. Hmm. Now we are talking. 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 Okay, good. Oh, what's not the error? Oh, sorry. This error we are facing, it has to be import. Oh, sorry. This error we are facing, it has to be import. Invite. It is import dot meta. Am I right? Let's see if the bug is gone. All right, good. It's now working fine. It's been a while since I've used Vite, so I've been using Next the whole year. All right, so let's check this out. I will copy this identity. Like, let me say you want to check, you want to view your ENS name, you can use this to view your ENS. Like, you want to add viewing of ENS name into your application, you can use Onchainkit provider. Like, just made it makes everything seamless. Sorry, very seamless and easy. Okay, I want to import. Okay, let me check now. Wow, it's displaying there. No picture. Okay, it's ringing it. Okay, you can change the wallet address here. Wallet address here to yours. Let me change it to mine. Let's change it to mine. No, this is not my account. It's one of my business names though. I see it here. One of my business names. Alright, so that's how you do. You can configure it. You can remove. Let me say you don't want the avatar to show. You can remove the avatar. And then, boom. You want the avatar to show. You don't want the name to show. Remove the name. Oh, sorry. Remove the name. Then boom. Very seamless. So everything is going to, like, source code is going to be in the description below. Or everything I will did here is going to be in the description below. I'll put it there. Alright, so you can modify, you can style it, you can give it color. You can see the examples here. You can give it color, you can style. Go here, come back here. So you can just, okay, let me just remove all this. Let me replace it. Now, see? So that's how you can modify it. Okay, text is now white. Oh, they when it says it's not installed in my application. We are using Vite, not Next.js. I mixed Next.js. Next.js we installed Tailwind CSS for us. Control Z to the previous one. Much more better. Okay. So if you are using Tailwind, you can use your Tailwind classes to style it. Seamless using the class name. So this you can go through it yourself too. But let's go back. Let's check out the other one. Let's check out the avatar. No, we've checked that one. Let's check out the wallet connect. Wallet connect come and provide a comprehensive interface just to connect wallets with their smart wallet. There can't be smart wallet. Smart wallet, just smart. Gasless transaction on base. Alright, so to do that, you can just copy all these, copy and paste, modify, copy and paste, modify. Copy and paste, modify. This is the result of how this is how it's going to look like. So let's do it together. Don't let us need to do some work. It's not that we just be copy, paste. Okay. What's the name? Okay, let me give it connect button.tsx. Paste it there. No error. Thank God. Let me go back to the app.tsx. Let me add the connect button here. Let me put it connect button. What's wrong? Let me come to the connect button. Oh, the name is wallet connect. The component name is wallet connect. Wallet, okay, wallet component. You can see it here. You can see the component name here. See, wallet components. So that's why. Let's come back here. So you can see you can connect Coinbase. Then boom, everything made in the screen below. Oh, good to go. See.
Thanks for watching you all, and see you in the next topic. Link to the documentation and other resources is going to be put in the description below. If you have any question, please you do it to reach out to me on X, my DM. I'll put the link in the description below also. Any question regarding the base on Onchainkit, just send a message to me on X.